Ma? Oh, Ma. Yeah. Makhani, matar malai, batata musallam.
बटाटा पे किधर चला गया? माँ पे रहना.
Okay, Ma. Can I? Mutton.
माँ से मटन कैसे आया?
Kebabs, curries, and piping hot naans, what's not there to like? Wouldn't you agree? I'm Shubham Bhatnagar, and today we are at the newly launched Saleems in Punjabi Bagh. And guess who is with us? It's Huma Qureshi.
Hi, thank you. Thank you for coming over, and I hope you get to enjoy some of the lovely food here.
So tell us, what new are you doing with this outlet, and how is it different from the outlets that we have at different places?
Well, the most difficult aspect of like opening multiple branches or franchises is always to ensure that the original taste never fails. And I think that a lot of time, energy, effort has been going into making that possible. Dad and my brother are really like putting a lot of time, energy, effort into figuring that the same quality of food is served in all the branches.
That's nice. That's nice because I've eaten at Saleem so many times at different places, and I swear the flavor and the taste is so same. Okay, so Huma, we have like few games planned for you.
Yes.
So the first game is this or that. My first question is rabdi or jalebi?
Rabdi jalebi.
No.
No, it's together. Like it's rabdi jalebi.
Okay, then I have to go towards western side. Ice cream or sorbet?
Ice cream.
Okay, then ice cream or kulfi?
Faluda kulfi.
Love that, love that. Okay, Faluda kulfi or gelato?
Faluda kulfi. But I agree.
Okay, so I'm gonna pick this menu.
Okay.
And I'm gonna ask you to pick one dish from here, and you have to give me a jingle or a tagline for it to sell it. Pick any dish you want.
Keema naan. Keema naan, keema naan, keema all the way.
Sold, already sold.
Christmas season, right?
Okay, one more dish.
Okay, chicken burra full. तू मुझे कबूल मैं तुझे कबूल इस बात का chicken burra.
Kabul hai, kabul hai, kabul hai.
Oh God, I think I'm doing a terrible job.
No. I think that should be your side hustle now.
Or like tangadi, 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 hamari tangadi, tangadi, tangadi.
Love it. That's incredible. Okay, so it's a different twist. I mean, I want you to put me on the spot now.
Okay.
And you're gonna pick a dish from here or whatever, like a recipe probably.
Okay.
Act, and I have to guess.
Okay, so this is like dum charades, right?
Yeah, like dum charades. 3 words. What is this? Chicken? Chicken. Okay, chicken. Hindi. Murg. Oh, awesome. Butter. Makhan. Makhni. Hindi. Makhan. Makhan. Chicken makhni. Murg makhni. Murg makhni masala. Musallam. Murg musallam. Okay, I think I lose. I'm sorry. Okay. Soup. You drink.
Malai.
Oh, malai. Okay, so murg malai makhni.
Tikka.
I'm so bad
You
at
get a
this.
tikka.
I'm sorry, but do I still get that to eat?
No.
Sorry.
कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं मिलेगा इनको. बिल्कुल भी नहीं मिलने वाला.
So with that, we come to an end with our playing game sessions. Yeah. But one question I would really want to ask, that's my personal question, that we have seen you actually cooking really interesting recipes on screen, but off screen. Have you ever like cooked a storm for your friends and family?
The thing is, I want to sacrifice for my family and I want to allow to give them the opportunity to cook for me. So I enjoy eating and they can enjoy cooking.
Actually, मैं भी ऐसा ही हूँ. Really यही होता है, right? Thank you so much, Huma, for speaking to us. The people who have tuned in, remember, life is short. Please have kebabs, okay? This is
Good one. Great line.
Yeah.
Thank you.
This is Shubham Bhatnagar and Huma Qureshi.
Yes.
Signing off with
from Saleem in Punjabi.
yes, with camera person Sachin Gupta and Neha Grover for NDTV.